Good morning students, today is day 11. The today's topic is the representation of intervals in set form. So basically 4 intervals as a subset of real numbers. Now what are the real numbers? Any number on a number line. Any number on a number line between minus infinity to infinity represents real number. So basically there are 4 intervals. First of all, how can we represent the intervals? First of all, this is exclusion form and this is inclusion form. This is semi-closed and this is semi-open. Exclusion form means, for example, there is a number 1, 2, 4. Exclusion means we don't include 1 and 4. So the number between 1 and 4 means 2 and 3. So this is exclusion form. But inclusion form, if the number is 1 to 4, we include 1 and 4. So the number is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 4. Semi-closed means same. If the number is 1 to 4, in this case 1 is included, 4 is excluded. So we can say 1, 2, 3. This is semi-open. Semi-open means if the number is 1 to 4, this one is excluded, this one is included. So whenever there is a round interval, use this round intervals whenever the sign is less than or greater than. And whenever there is a square interval, we use less than or equals to or greater than or equals to. We can say when we use open intervals, this is the open intervals, it can be represented by the sign less than or greater than, and closed represented by less than or greater than or equal to, less than or equal to or greater than or equal to. So firstly we take the example. For example, let x belongs to R. X belongs to R means R is a real number. The value of x is this. The value of x is greater than 1 but less than 4. So this is a number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the case of open interval. So we represent the number between 1 to 4, but we draw a circle in this way. This represents both the numbers are excluded. Both the numbers are excluded. Second case, let x belongs to R. 1 less than or equals to x less than 4. Now x greater than or equal to 1 or equals to 1 and x is less than 4. In this case, draw a number line. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now less than, greater than or equals to means we represent this circle dark circle because this number is included. So 1, 2, 4. But in this case x is only less than 4. So we represent 4 by this circle. If the number is included, we make the circle dark. And if the number is excluded, we represent the number in this way. Okay. Now third case, let x belongs to R. The next one is 1 less than x less than or equals to 4. Now draw a number line. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now value of x is greater than 1. Greater than 1. So 1 is excluded. But x is equals to 4 or less than 4. So this is included case. So we represent 4 with a dark circle. The last case, fourth. Let x belongs to R 1 less than x less than or equals to 4. So draw a number line, minus infinity to infinity, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now x is equals to 1 or greater than 1, or x is less than or equals to 4. So 1 to 4. So both the numbers are included, 1 and 4. So we represent both the numbers with the dark circles. So I just repeat the topic. Basically there are 4 intervals. The first one is open interval, the second one is closed, the third one is semi-closed, the fourth one is semi-open. In closed intervals we include the numbers, but in open intervals we don't include the numbers. For example, in this case the 2 numbers are excluded, but in closed intervals these 2 numbers are included. Now we take some examples regarding the concept of intervals. The question is, write the following subsets of R as the interval. Also find the length of each interval. So there are 2 questions. Firstly, we will have to find the intervals. Then we have to find the length of each interval. Now the first question is x such that x belongs to, this is a sign of belongs to, x belongs to R. What is R? Real number. Now the value of x is minus 4 to 6. Now we can say that now x is greater than or equals to minus 4 and x is less than or equals to 6. So the interval is minus 4 to 6. But in this case we include 6 because the sign is less than or equals to. So we use close bracket. But in this case x is greater than minus 4. So we use open bracket. So this means we include 6 but we don't include minus 4. Same. Now we have to find the length. To find the length, the formula is second element 6 minus, always use minus, the first element minus 4. So 6 minus minus plus 4 equals to 10. We take second example, x such that x belongs to R. The value of x is minus 12 to minus 10. The sign is the x is greater than minus 12 and x is less than minus 10. So we use open intervals because there is no sign of less than or equals to or greater than or equals to. So the length is minus 10 minus 12. So minus 10 plus 12. 2. Now we shift to the third question. The x such that x belongs to R. The value of x is equals to 0 or greater than 0. Now the sign is greater than or equals to 0. X greater than or equals to 0. But x is less than 7. So the value of x is 0 to 7. So we use close bracket with the 0 and open bracket with the 7. And the length is 7 minus 0, 7. Now shift to the last question. X such that x belongs to R. The value of x is greater than or equals to 3 and less than or equals to 4. Now this question involves both the signs less than or equals to or greater than or equals to. So the value of x is 3 to 4. We use close interval brackets. It means the 3 and 4 are included numbers. And the length equals to 4 minus 3, 1. Now shift to the second question related to intervals. Write the following intervals in set builder form. So we have to write this intervals in set builder form. So first of all, curly braces, x such that x belongs to R. Now this is a semi-closed interval. Semi-closed means this is included, this is excluded, means -7 less than or equals to x less than 0. This is included, so we use x greater than or equals to. So closed. In second interval, now this is a closed interval. Closed interval means both the numbers are included. So curly braces, x such that x belongs to R. R means real number. So the value of x is 6 less than x less than or equals to 12. So in both the cases we use x greater than or equals to 6 and x less than or equals to 12 because this is a closed bracket, means the both numbers are included. Now shift to the third. This is semi-open. Semi-open means this is excluded, this is included. So x such that x belongs to R, the value of x is, so this number is included, so we write x less than or equals to 12. The next question is -20 to 3. Again, this is a semi-closed. Semi-closed means this number is included but this number is excluded. So x such that x belongs to R, -20 less than or equals to x less than 3.